Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add protection to your Additio profile by using your PIN number. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the settings section and click on it. Tap on protection with PIN and you should enter your password. Repeat it. And now your password has been set, so each time you open the application you will be required to type it in. As you can see, you need to type it into login. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.